window and roller shutter box joints are fully automated in Mold Simulator. See Frame Simulator Tutorial 7 and Mold Simulator Tutorial 3 for details on roller shutter box computation and window joint evaluation. In this tutorial, we'll start from a fully configured window joint project where we've added a roller shutter box, please watch Mold Simulator Tutorial 3 for detailed information on how to set up a window joint simulation. In order to correctly take into account the roller shutter box, we first need to create a closed path around it. The type of closed path must be set to roller shutter box. As we did for the window joint, we need to add a segment material between the roller shutter box and the wall. The properties of this segment material are not important. Mold Simulator just needs to find a segment material between the two elements. We're ready to simulate. Please note that 2 additional simulations have been carried out. One for the window and the other one for the roller shutter box. You can see their L2D value also in the main results.